Right, so we've selected the digits that we want to use here. We're going to spell the word factory. We take our composer jig and we remove the top section, put it there. Take the top section of the letters off, place them just above. And then we take our first digit and place it where we think it's going to go. I'm going to start here at position 8. Take a blank plate and place it on the jig and just have a measure. Alright, we're 7 on this side and we're 4 on this side, so we're going to move it back a little bit. Five and 5. Happy with that? So now what we're going to do is we're going to place this piece back on the top. Place the top part of the digit on. Then remove the top half. Sandwich the plate in between you to make sure that it's butted up against here and along the top. If you don't, your plate will come out bent. Place this back on and then we get ready to transport it to the jig. Okay, take the jig, place it into the press and slide it across until the digit is just below the midpoint. You can adjust the pressure here with this here and just press away. That's the first one. The second one. And remove the jig. So remove the jig, take the top layer off, take the plate out and just peel the digits away.